Hey there, CPO here, and I'm gonna change out the stereo in my son's TJ. A friend of ours gave us this unit. It's an Alpine head unit that we can put in place of the factory one. It's gonna give my son Bluetooth capability so he can stream from his phone. And yeah, comes with a little amp here. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to put this in. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on a how-to. There's plenty of how-tos on this, so basically what I'll do is just do it and give you something interesting to listen to while I do. All right, so I need a longer extension for the antenna. All they had was like a 12-footer. It's way longer than I need, but the other one I have was like a foot. It's too short, so this is too short. This is too long. I guess too long is better, obviously. I did have to remove, oh, I lost it. Oh, here it is. I removed this bracket that holds the factory stereo on. Just a couple of nuts holding it up. You can get to them from the top here. But it was just getting in the way. This stereo is a little bit deeper, I think, than a lot of other, even aftermarket. And it was just not giving me enough room. So getting this thing out of the way gave me the clearance I needed. And my Alpine amp is stuffed way back in there and everything should fit good. So basically just this final install. That's it. We're done. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.